Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Land Rover Range Rover Supercharged. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Land Rover has less than 135,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power windows, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.